Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS Cognito user pools for secure sign-in authorization step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito service. On the Cognito dashboard, select Manage User Pools. Choose the user pool you want to configure for sign-in authorization. In the left sidebar, click on App Client Settings. Here, create a new app client if you haven't done so already. Enable the OAuth 2.0 settings for the app client. Select the allowed OAuth flows that suit your application's requirements. Make sure to specify the allowed OAuth scopes, including OpenID for authentication. After configuring the app client, go to the Domain Name section in the left sidebar. Set up a custom domain or use the default AWS provided domain. Next, navigate to the User Pool Clients section. Click on your app client, then ensure that the Enable Sign-in API for server-based authentication option is selected. Now, proceed to the Triggers section in the left sidebar. You may want to set up prompts for user registration or custom authentication flows. Once you've set up the triggers, ensure your user pool is properly configured for user attributes. Verify that the attributes you require for sign-in are set as required in the Attributes section. Return to the user pool's main settings and select Policies. Configure the password policies according to your security requirements. Finally, test your sign-in flow through the user pool's hosted UI or your application directly. Monitor the authentication process and ensure users can sign in securely. If everything works as expected, your AWS Cognito user pool is successfully authorized for sign-in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.